Dear students, today we are going to study about how to find the oxidation number of any element in a compound. Let us see first about the rules to find oxidation number one by one. The first rule, the oxidation state of free element is 0. For example, if you take hydrogen, H2, Cl2 chlorine, Na sodium, sulfur acid, these are all free elements in free state, so their oxidation number is taken as 0. The second rule, for monoatomic ion, the oxidation state is equal to net charge on the ion. Monoatomic means having only one atom. Ion means it is having either plus charge or minus charge. Let me see the example. The oxidation number of Na plus, Na is sodium plus cation. So how many plus charges are there? Only one plus charge. So the oxidation number of Na plus is plus 1. Here Cl minus is chloride ion. This is also a monoatomic ion. How many minus charges are there? Only one minus. So the oxidation number of Cl minus is minus 1. Next, third rule, the algebraic sum of the oxidation state of all the atom in a molecule is 0. In any molecule, the oxidation state of all the atoms, if we add the oxidation state of all the atoms, that should be equal to 0. Fourth rule, the oxidation number of hydrogen in all compound is plus 1. But in hydrides, the oxidation number of hydrogen in hydride is minus 1. Fifth rule, fluorine, the oxidation number of fluorine in all the compound is minus 1. Sixth rule, the oxidation number of oxygen in most of the compound is minus 2. In peroxides, it is minus 1. In superoxide, it is minus half. In oxygen difluoride, the oxidation number of oxygen is plus 2. So, oxygen shows different oxidation number in different type of compound. Commonly in all the compounds it is minus 2. In peroxides it is minus 1. In superoxide it is minus half. In oxygen difluoride, the oxidation number of oxygen is plus 2. Next, oxidation state of alkali metals. All the alkali metal possess the oxidation state of plus 1. And all the alkaline earth metals possess the oxidation state of plus 2. This is group 1. This is group 2 elements. Group 1 elements are called alkali metals. Group 2 elements are called alkaline earth metals. The alkali metals names are given here. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. These are all alkali metals. These elements possess the oxidation state of plus 1. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium, these elements are called alkaline earth metals. They possess the oxidation number of plus 2. Let me see how to find the oxidation number. For example, we take potassium dichromate, which is K2Cr2O7. Here we are going to find out the oxidation number of chromium. K, potassium, this is alkali metal. The oxidation state of potassium is plus 1. Chromium, we don't know the oxidation state. We are going to find out the oxidation state of chromium. For oxygen, it is minus 2. First, we should write the number next to the element, potassium. How many potassium atoms are there? 2 potassium atoms. So, 2 within bracket, the oxidation number of potassium, which is plus 1. Plus, the next element is chromium. We don't know the oxidation number of chromium, so we take it as X. How many chromium atoms are there? 2 chromium atoms are there. So, 2X plus 7 oxygen atoms are there. So, put 7 into the oxidation number of oxygen is minus 2, which is equal to 0. That is the third rule. The sum of the oxidation number of all the element in a compound is equal to 0. That is the third rule. We are applying the third rule here to find out the oxidation number of chromium. So, plus 2 plus 2x minus 14 is equal to 0. If we add these two numbers, we get 2x minus 12 is equal to 0. 2x equal to 12. X equal to 12 by 2, which is equal to 6 or plus 6, which is the oxidation number of chromium in potassium dichromate. So, the oxidation number of chromium is plus 6 in K2Cr2O7, which is called potassium dichromate. Next, we have to calculate the oxidation number of Mn in KMnO4, potassium permanganate. KMnO4 is potassium permanganate. We have to find the oxidation number of Mn in KMnO4. First, we have to write the number of potassium atom. Here only one potassium is there. If there is no number, then we have to take as 1. So, 1 into K, the oxidation number of K, alkali metal is plus 1, plus how many manganese? 1 manganese. We don't know the oxidation number of manganese. So, X means 1X, plus how many oxygen atoms are there? 4 oxygen atoms. The oxidation number of oxygen is minus 2 is equal to 0. So, 1 plus X minus 8 equal to 0. If we add these two numbers, we get X minus 7 is equal to 0. X equal to plus 7. Then, sulfuric acid H2SO4. We have to find the oxidation number of sulfur in sulfuric acid. First, hydrogen. How many hydrogen is there? 2 hydrogen atoms are there. So, we put 2. The oxidation number of hydrogen plus 1. Plus, we don't know the oxidation number of sulfur. So, X. There is only one sulfur atom. So, 1X. Plus, 4 oxygen atoms are there. 4 into minus 2 equal to 0. Plus 2 plus X minus 8 equal to 0. If we add these two numbers, we get X minus 6 equal to 0. Then X equal to plus 6, which is the oxidation state of sulfur in H2SO4. Then the oxidation number of carbon in carbon dioxide. CO2. We don't know the oxidation number of carbon. So you take as X. How many carbon is there? 1 carbon. So 1X plus 2 oxygen atoms are there. 2 into the oxidation number of oxygen is minus 2, which is equal to 0. X minus 4 is equal to 0. X equal to plus 4. The oxidation number of carbon is plus 4. Similarly, the oxidation number of chromium is plus 6. The oxidation number of manganese in KMnO4 is plus 7. Thus, we find out the oxidation number of these elements in compounds using the rules which we have already seen. Now, one important question based on this oxidation number, which is the book back question in the first lesson of plus 1 chemistry. The correct increasing order of the oxidation state of sulfur in the anions. 4 anions are given here. In all the 4 anions, sulfur atom is present. We have to find out the oxidation number of sulfur in all these 4 anions one by one. Then we have to arrange this in the increasing order of the oxidation state. Let us first see SO4 2 minus. We don't know the oxidation state of sulfur, which is taken as X. 1 sulfur is there, so 1X plus 4 oxygen atom 4 into oxidation state of oxygen is minus 2 equal to minus 2. The net charge here is minus 2, so we have to put minus 2. Here, in these compounds, there is no charge. All are neutral compounds. There is no charge here, so we put equal to 0. But we take anions. Here we take anions. The net charge of this anion, sulfate anion, is minus 2. So we have to equate this to minus 2. X minus 8 is equal to minus 2. X equal to minus 2 plus 8. X equal to plus 6. That is, the oxidation state of sulfur in SO4 2 minus is plus 6. Then SO3 2 minus, here also only one X, so only one sulfur atom, so we take it as X. 3 oxygen atom, 3 into minus 2 equal to minus 2. X minus 6 equal to minus 2. X equal to minus 2 plus 6, which is equal to plus 4. The oxidation state of sulfur in SO3 2 minus is plus 4. Then S2O4. S2O4 2 minus. Here the number of sulfur atom is 2. So we take it as 2x plus 4 into minus 2 equal to the net charge is minus 2. So 2x minus 8 is equal to minus 2. 2x equal to minus 2. Minus 8 here comes plus 8. So 2x equal to plus 6. X equal to plus 6 by 2, which is equal to plus 3. Here the oxidation state of sulfur S2O4 2 minus sulfur is plus 3. And one more example, S2O6 2 minus. Here also we have to calculate the oxidation number of sulfur. Here 2 sulfur atoms are there, so 2x plus how many oxygen atoms? 6 oxygen atoms. What is the oxidation number? Minus 2 equal to minus 2. So 2x minus 12 equal to minus 2. 2x equal to minus 2 plus 12. 2x equal to plus 10. X equal to plus 10 by 2. We get x equal to plus 5. So the oxidation number of sulfur in S2O6 is plus 5. We have to arrange this in the increasing order. So increasing order, which is the lowest oxidation number? Plus 3. This is the lowest. Then plus 4. Then plus 5. This is the third one. Then plus 6. This is the fourth one. So the arrangement is first one S2O4 2 minus. The next one is, next radical is SO3 2 minus. The next one is S2O6 2 minus. The next one is SO4 2 minus. Here the oxidation number of S2O4 is plus 3. SO3 2 minus is plus 4. S2O6 minus is plus 5. SO4 2 minus, the oxidation number is sulfur is plus 6. And this is the increasing order of oxidation state of sulfur in all the 4 anions. Thank you, students. This oxidation number is very useful to balance the equations based on oxidation reduction reactions. So this will be very, very important for you. Thank you. We shall see how to balance redox reaction using oxidation number in the upcoming videos. Thank you.